Hello dear students, today our topic is in standard 10th is arithmetic progression, in which we are going to study sum of first n terms of an AP. Now इसकी meaning क्या है? Sum of first n terms of an AP, and we are also going to solve the examples of practice set 3.3. Now what is the meaning of first n terms of an AP? So suppose there is an AP of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 dash up to 100. Now what is the sum of each term? What is the sum of all these terms of an AP from 1 to 100? Of natural numbers from 1 to 100, what is their sum? Sum of, if there's some, suppose if this example, if this AP was like this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose 1 is T1 and 5 is Tn. It is the last term. Now if we are asked, अगर हमें बोला जाए कि इनका सम कितना है, तो हम इजीली बताएंगे 1 + 2 3, 3 + 3 6 + 4 10, 10 + 5 15. ये इजी है, लेकिन फाइंडिंग द सम ऑफ ऑल नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 100, सो ये एक थोड़ा लेंथी प्रोसीजर है, और यही एग्जाम्पल दिया गया था जर्मनी के एक टीचर ने उनके क्लास में, और उस क्लास में एक कार्ल गॉस करके एक स्टूडेंट था जो आगे चल के ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन बने, और उन्होंने ये एग्जाम्पल बहुत इजीली सॉल्व किया. इस टाइप की एक्टिविटी जो है, ये एक्टिविटी पेज नंबर बुक में पेज नंबर 68 पे गिवन है, आप उसको ज़रूर देखिए. और उसी में से जो आज का हम जो फार्मूला लर्न करने वाले हैं वो फार्मूला बना है. तो उसमें आपको एक्सप्लेन किया गया है कि उस कार्ल गॉस जो ग्रेट मैथमेटिशियन था, उसने इन सभी नंबर्स के पेयर्स बनाए 1 and 100, 2 and 99, 3 and 98. तो 1, व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ ईच पेयर? 1 + 100 101, 2 + 99 101. इन दिस वे ही मेड ऑल द पेयर्स. और फिर उसमें से उसने, जैसे सपोज 50 पेयर्स बने एंड द सम ऑफ ईच पेयर वाज 101. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट? तो ऐसे 50 पेयर्स बने, तो 50 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 50 × 101, इट इज़ 5050. यही इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी और इन द क्लियर वे पेज नंबर 68 पे गिवन है. और उसी में से आज का जो फार्मूला है वो बना है SN. SN मीन्स सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n टर्म्स, सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n टर्म्स ऑफ AP. Here when I say 1 2 3 4 5 and suppose I say dash dash dash, means this is infinite AP. तो अगर मैं बोलूँ सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स ऑफ AP, तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज सम ऑफ S5. S5 मीन्स सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 5. सम ऑफ, यहाँ पे सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स है. अगर सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 10 टर्म्स है तो वी कैन राइट S10. सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 20 नंबर से तो S20. इन द सेम वे सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n टर्म्स कितने भी हो, n मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ n विल ऑलवेज चेंज. 10 terms, 20, 30, 40, 100, 200 like that. So sum of n terms, what is its formula? Its formula is n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of sum of first n terms. इसका ही हम जो है एप्लीकेशन करने वाले हैं प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.3 में. अब ये फार्मूला कैसे डिराइव किया गया, इसके लिए आप पेज नंबर 68 और 69 जो है टेक्स्ट बुक का उसको रीड करिए, उसको अंडरस्टैंड करिए. यू विल गेट दिस फार्मूला. देयर इज वन मोर फार्मूला. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे किया 1 and 100 का सम, देन 2 and 99 का सम. तो इस देयर इज वन मोर फार्मूला विच वी कैन से इफ वी नो द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड लास्ट टर्म. अगर फर्स्ट टर्म एंड लास्ट टर्म मालूम है तो हम दूसरा फार्मूला भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, दैट इज SN = n upon 2 in the bracket T1 plus Tn, means first term plus last term. Now we are going to start practice set 3.3. The first question is, first term of an AP is 6 and common difference is 3. Find the sum of first 27 terms. पहले जो 27 टर्म्स हैं जिसमें फर्स्ट टर्म 6 है एंड सेकेंड टर्म क्या होगा, कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 3. सो 6 + 3 9, 12, 15 and so on. So what is the sum of first 27 terms? So we will start solution here. A, that is T1 first term is 6 and common difference D is 3. Now we are given the activity A is 6, D is 3, and we have to find sum of first 27 terms. Now it is written that we'll write the formula. Sum of first n terms equals to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so therefore Sn means here we have to find sum of first 27 numbers, 27 terms. So S27 equals to, as there are 27 terms, first 27 terms का हमें सम फाइंड करना है, तो n will be 27 upon 2 in the bracket 2 into a. What is a? A is 6, so 2 into 6 plus in the bracket n is again 27 minus 1 and the common difference is 3 given. What we have done here, we have substituted the values. Substituting the values, and this is the formula. This is the formula. So therefore S27 equals to 27 upon 2. Then we'll simplify the bracket. So 2 plus 6, 2 into 6 is 12 plus 21 minus 7, 26 into 3. So therefore S27 equals to 27 upon 2 in the bracket 12 plus this is 78, and therefore S27 equals to 27 upon 2 and 12 plus 78 is 90. We'll directly write 27 upon 2 into 90, and this will be, therefore S27 equals to 2 goes into 90 45 times. So 27 into 45. The product is 1215. नाउ एग्जाम में, लेकिन अगर ये एक्टिविटी है तो आपको एक्टिविटी में जहाँ जहाँ पे बॉक्सेस है वहाँ पे बॉक्सेस जो है ज़रूर कंपल्सरीली फ्रेम करने हैं. सो द बॉक्स इन द फर्स्ट लाइन इज हेयर. सो हेयर यू विल मेक अ बॉक्स 2a. देन इन द सेकेंड लाइन द बॉक्स इज हेयर 3. देन 27 upon 2 directly here it is the box 27 upon 2. In the bracket it will be 90, and then the product 27 into 45, this the product is 1215. In this way जहाँ जहाँ पे बॉक्सेस हैं वहाँ पे आपको बॉक्सेस कंपल्सरीली बनाने हैं, तभी मार्क्स मिलते हैं एक्टिविटी में. ओके, नाउ विल गो टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2 is find the sum of first 23 even natural numbers. Even natural numbers, first 123. Start with solution. Here AP is, the first even natural number is 2, then there is 4, then 6, then and so on. In this way, this is the AP of even natural numbers. Now here A means first term is 2, and we have to find the sum of first 123 even natural number. So n equals to 123. There are 123 terms, first 123 terms. Now for applying the formula Sn equals to n upon 2. N we know, n upon 2 in the bracket 2a. A we know 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in all these variables we don't know the value of, we know a, we know n. What we don't know? We don't know the d. We don't know common difference. So first of all we'll write common difference. So here n is 123. Then we can say a equals to t1 is 2, then t2 is 4, and t3 is 6, and so on. So d, common difference, equals to t2 minus t1 equals to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, it is 2. बिकॉज जैसे कि नेचुरल इवन नेचुरल नंबर से तो 2 का ही डिफरेंस होगा. देयर विल बी डिफरेंस ऑफ 2 इन कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ईच कॉन्जिक्यूटिव पेयर. अगर ऑड नंबर्स होते तो भी 2 का ही डिफरेंस होता था, राइट. सो हमें अभी वी हैव नोन वैल्यू ऑफ डी. नाउ विल राइट द फॉर्मूला एस एन इक्वल्स टू n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we'll substitute the values. This is the formula. Now we'll substitute the values. Sn, n is 123. Sum of first 123 terms equals to n is 123 upon 2, then 2a. A is 2 in the bracket terms, plus, and how many terms are 123 minus 1 into d. Common difference is 2. Now we will solve this example. See, I have solved this example, substituting the values here. Then all the values have been substituted. 123 upon 2 in the bracket, 2 2s are 4 plus 122 into 2. Then I have solved all these numbers examples. The answer is 15,252. So the sum of first 123 even natural numbers is 15,252. Okay. Now question number 3 is find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. Here the important word is between. Actually in the previous textbook there the word was from, that was incorrect. The sahi jo corrected word is, that is between 1 to 350. Now we'll start with the solution. The natural numbers between 1 and 350 are. So between 1 and 350 means less than 350, greater than 1 and less than 350. 350 से कम. तो कौन सा जो इवन नेचुरल नंबर है वो 350 से जस्ट पहले वाला है, that is 348. So R 2 4 6 and dash, and the last even number is 348. Okay, 348. Now here we know A, that is T1 is 2, T2 is 4, T3 is 6, and Tn is 348. Now here we know the first term and we also know the last term. तो अगर जब फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म मालूम होता है तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला हम यूज़ करते हैं? वो यूज़ द फॉर्मूला एस एन इक्वल्स टू एन अपॉन 2 इन द ब्रैकेट T1 प्लस Tn. We use the formula Sn equals to n upon 2 in the bracket T1 plus Tn. अब इस फॉर्मूले में क्या हमें सभी वैल्यूज मालूम है? Sn sum of first n terms, but we don't know how many terms are there from 2 to 348. 2 is the first term, 348 is the last term, but कितने terms है वो हमें नहीं मालूम. तो हमें first of all we will find the value of n. For finding n we will use the formula of Tn. Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. अब उस फॉर्मूले में भी जो फॉर्मूला है Tn equals to a plus a means first term we know plus n minus 1 into d. We don't know n and also we haven't find yet d. d भी हमने find नहीं किया है. तो d तो हमें मालूम है कि d is 2 because these are natural even numbers. So d will be 2. So we'll write d equals to t2 minus t1 equals to 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Now we will find n. So now Tn equals to a plus in the bracket n minus 1 into d. So Tn, a is first term is 2 plus n we have to find minus 1 into d. And what is d? And Tn Tn is 348. So Tn is 348, and D also we know D is 2, right? Here we have substituted the values. You will write substituting the values. 346 equals n. Here 2 is in multiplication. We will transpose on the left side, so it will be in division. Upon 2 equals to n minus 1. And therefore n minus 1 equals to 2 goes into 346, 100, so 173, right? 173. Therefore n equals to 173 plus 1. Therefore n is 174. So how many terms are there between from 2 to 348? There are 174. Now we will use this value in the formula of Sn here. So we will write the formula Sn equals to n upon 2 in the bracket T1 plus Tn. So n, number of terms are 174 upon 2 in the bracket, first term is 2 and the last term is 348. So 2 goes into 174 8 times and then 7 times, 87 into 350, and the product of 87 into 350 is 30,450. Okay, so now we'll write the answer once again. Now we'll solve question number 6. The first sum of first 55 terms. Sum of first 55 terms of an AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. Now sum of first 55 terms is 3300, means Sn. S55 we should say. Sum of first 55 terms, S55 is 3300, right? We have to find 28th term, means we have to find T28. T28 we have to find. And what is the formula for Tn? You know the formula for Tn, it is A plus in the bracket n minus 1 into D. For that we need A and n and D. तो सबसे पहले हम A, n और D फाइंड करेंगे. तो n तो ठीक है कि T28 फाइंड करना है, तो therefore n will be 28. तो n we know, n is 28, n we know, but we have to find this A and D. अब A और D हमें जो एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है दैट इज S55, तो इसमें से हम A और D फाइंड करेंगे. आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं. सोल्यूशन जो गिवन है उसी से स्टार्ट करते हैं. हेयर sum of first 55 terms S55 is 3300. Let we don't know A and D, so let the first term, let the first term of the AP, let the first term of the AP be A and what, and D is the common difference. D is the common difference. So we'll apply the formula Sn equals to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Now Sn means sum of S55 equals to n, number of terms is 55 upon 2, and here 2a, we don't know A, 2a plus n again 55 minus 1, and D we don't know, we have assumed A and D. Therefore S55, and we know this S sum of first 55 terms, S55 is 3300. So we will write 3300 equals to 55 upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus 54d, right? We can also use simple brackets here. Now 2 is the common factor in these terms, therefore 3300 equals to 55 upon 2 into 2 in the bracket a plus 27d, right? 2 we have taken out, 2 cancel out, or 2 goes into 2 one time. Now therefore we'll transpose 55 on the left side, therefore 3300. This is the rough idea what we have to find. 3300 upon 55 equals to a plus 27d, and 55 goes into 3300, it goes here 60 times, therefore a plus 27d equals to 60. Suppose this is point number 1. Now we have to find 28th term, right? So we will write this formula here. We'll write Tn. Now Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore we have to find T28 sum, 28th term. So T28 equals to a plus 28 minus 1 into d. Here n equals to 28. Therefore T28 equals to a plus 27d, and we know it is 60. Therefore T28 equals to 60. This is from 1. So we'll write the answer, that 28th term, 28th term in the AP is 60, right? 7th number sub question is, in an AP the sum of 3 consecutive terms. Consecutive terms means continuous terms. The sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27. 3 consecutive terms, the sum is 27, and their product is 504. Find the terms. Now solution. Suppose the common difference is 2. So the any 3 terms may be 5, 7 or 9, or the terms may be 13, 15, 17 and so on, but their sum should be 27. Now keeping this aside, इसको छोड़ दीजिए. अब 3 terms जो हैं, 3 consecutive terms, तो अगर हमें मिडिल टर्म मालूम है तो प्रीवियस टर्म कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? तो उसमें से जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है, कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 2, एज यू कैन सी. टेक एनी कॉमन टर्म. यहाँ पे कॉमन टर्म 2 है, तो प्रीवियस टर्म कैसे फाइंड होगा? तो उस टर्म में से, मिडिल टर्म में से d माइनस करेंगे, तो 7 माइनस 2 इज़ 5. तो यहाँ पे d माइनस करेंगे और नेक्स्ट टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए d प्लस करेंगे. जैसे सपोज द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज 4, सपोज द टर्म्स आर 6 एंड 10 एंड 14. तो वैसे ही अगेन प्रीवियस टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए मिडिल टर्म में से d माइनस करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे करेंगे माइनस d, और नेक्स्ट टर्म फाइंड करने के लिए 10 प्लस 4 14, तो यहाँ पे करेंगे प्लस d. तो इन द सेम वे हम जो 3 टर्म्स अज्यूम करेंगे, सपोज, या वी कैन से लेट्स अज्यूम, सपोज द 3 consecutive terms, suppose the 3 consecutive terms of the AP are, तो ऐसे ही हम फाइंड करेंगे. सपोज मिडिल टर्म इज a, सो द प्रीवियस टर्म इज a माइनस डी, d माइनस करेंगे, एंड नेक्स्ट टर्म के लिए d प्लस करेंगे, तो a प्लस डी. सो दीज आर द 3 consecutive terms. Now their sum is 27. Therefore a plus, sorry, first term is a minus d. First term, or the first term in those 3 terms, a minus d plus a plus d, it is 27. Therefore given the sum is 27. So minus d plus d cancel out, a plus a, it is 3a equals to 27, and therefore a equals to 27 upon 3. Therefore a is 9, means the middle term is 9. If middle term is 9, then the previous term may be 7 and the next term may be 11. So 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 11, it is 27. Let's see. Now this is just the oral calculation. So we will find by writing the proper way. So A is 27. Now this is point number 1. What is another information is given, that the product is 100. Product is 504. Now A minus D multiplied by A into A plus D, this is 504. Therefore 9 in the bracket 81 minus D square is 504. We can transpose 9 on the right side. So 81 minus D square equals to 504 upon 9, 56. 81 minus D equals to 56. Therefore 81 transpose 56 on the left side, minus 56 equals to D square, sorry, it is D square, and therefore 81 minus 56 is 25 equals to D square. Therefore D equals to plus or minus 5. What we have done here, taking square root on both sides. Now A equals to 9, A minus D equals to 9 minus, taking D as 5, that is equals to 4, or 9 minus negative 5, taking D as negative 5, this is 9 plus 5 equals to 14. So A minus D is 4 or 14, and A plus D equals to 9 plus 5 equals to 14, or 9 plus negative 5 equals to 4. So this is 14 or 4. So answer, the three consecutive terms, of the AP are, A is the middle term, so taking 4, 9 and 14, 4, 9 and 14, or 14, 9 and 4, 14, 9, 4. In each case the sum is 27 and the product is 504. Okay, in this way you have to solve this practice set.